My name is Marcus. I'm 29 years old. Going to go see Dr. Matlock to get the Vaser High Definition procedure. I have some extra pounds on my abs, maybe 5 pounds of just excess fat that's stubborn and won't go away.
Yeah, I gotta do the ab thing. It's like, no questions about it. Since, LL got the ripped up abs, 50 got the perfect abs.
Yeah, I think it'll make you go from here all the way to here just by changing one thing.
Yeah, they give me that extra oomph on stage.
I'm getting this surgery because I'm in the entertainment business and there's so much competition out there and you want your image to be right. So in order for everything to pan out, I need the image.
I'm already wild on stage, but once I can take everything off,
Give you that extra.
throw my shirt into the crowd, and I'll be on top of the world.
Girls always screaming, oh, Grits, take your shirt off. And I'm like, hey, don't take it all the way off. So now I can take it all the way off and the screams will probably just get even more intense. And Jasmine would probably hate it, but I love it.
Girl, you look so good, like an ice cream truck in the hood. Hey now.
Hi, Dr. Matlock.
Nice to meet you,
Marcus.
Hi.
Jasmine.
Hi, how are you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm a hip-hop artist, so I do a lot of work on stage, and I'm always able to take off my shirt, but I never am able to take off the wife beater because I got a little extra fat around the stomach that's real stubborn. It's not coming off. I work out all the time, but it's just still there.
Marcus is here to see me today about the Vaser High Def. And what this is a very new technique of liposculpting and where we can really give the patient that hot, tight, athletic look. Do a little crunch. Yeah, see, your abs are excellent. Jasmine, his abs are absolutely fantastic. What we will do is really define the abdominal rectus muscles. We're going to define the outer border. We're going to give you a very nice V cut as well. You got a great body, biceps, triceps, pecs, everything. You got a great body. You'll get exactly what you want. You know that 50 Cent look, huh?
Yeah.
And, all right, and then you'll take that shirt off. All right, you'll take the shirt off. I promise you that.
I can't wait to have this surgery because he's excited about it. He's the hippest doctor you ever want to see in your life. He knows all the artists that I'm familiar with, and he has a six-pack himself, so he knows exactly what I'm looking for. He's gonna have me looking perfect.
But just do me one favor.
What's that?
Okay, when you get this, all right, in your buddy's ass. You know, what gym you been going to? Don't tell me you're going to, you tell me you're going to Matlock's gym, all right? Marcus, good morning, how you doing? All right, did you talk to Jasmine?
Yeah, I talked to her.
I guess she's probably well on her way in surgery now, huh?
Yeah.
Today is Marcus's surgery, and what I'm going to do is Vaser High Def, because what Marcus wants, he wants that sculpted abs, he wants that six-pack. Ultimately, here's what we want to do. I'm going to show you my body, okay? Here's what we want to do. What we going to do, huh? I'm going to bring this down a little bit. I'm going to sculpt all this out. I'm going to define all this out. I'm going to define really right in here. This depression is natural depression here. I'm going to give you that, okay? No fat around the belly button at all. Marcus is an excellent candidate for Vaser High Def because of the fact that he does have a nice muscle structure. You've got excellent muscles under here. Excellent muscles. So I'm actually kind of just looking through the skin, looking through the fat, looking down into the muscle. This procedure really allows us to do much more than just traditional liposculpting. We're really concerning ourselves with the muscle structure up underneath and defining that muscle structure out. We're gonna get all this out. By doing all of that, we're gonna give you this nice tight V cut. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today's the day of my surgery, and I'm feeling like $1 million. Because I know after the surgery's over, I'm gonna look like $1 billion.
We'll get going in, all right, in a minute, all right? Get your new body going, okay? Yeah. So listen, here's the thing now. You think I can be one of the backup, not backup singers, but one of the backup dancers? There's always room for perfection. You're just like Michelangelo, sculpting out the body. So for you to see and understand what's going to go on, I'm going to take the probe, I'm going to touch it to the fat, and then now you can really see and understand what's going to go on internally. See what happens to the fatty tissue, it just vaporizes. So now what I'm going to do is really release this skin from the subcutaneous tissue. I need to release this. I need for this to shrink wrap down around my newly sculpted body. Now, same thing on the other side. I gotta make sure all the tissue is released, all the skin is released. Okay, stop. Now, I'm gonna go into the deep tissue. So what you saw on the table with the fatty tissue, just imagine that's what's happening inside the body. I'm removing the emulsified tissue. You're just like Michelangelo, sculpting out the body. Now what we have to do, we have to give him that V look. So we got to take all this out. We got to sculpture this down. I will say that he will probably go down at least 5 sizes in his waist. 5 inches. All right, we're all finished now. You can see his muscles defined out. Okay, we have this V to the P. Got this V cut right in here. Everything went great with Marcus' surgery. I'm really happy of how the surgery came out. He's gonna get a great result. All right, Marcus, surgery went great and fine, okay? All right, you're really gonna like it. You're really gonna like the results, okay? And on the side, you like this now, look.
Do I look like Dr. Matlock?
Yeah, well, on the side, hey man, you're right there. I said I made you just like me right there on the side, okay?
Okay, cool.
So relax, I'll talk to you in a little bit, all right?
All right,
Okay,
thanks,
all right.
man.
All right, all right.
What up, ladies? My name is Chris Torrey. Don't you worry, I got answers to questions that often leave your eyes, boy.
It's been 6 weeks since my surgery. What I love about my abs now is that they grab attention everywhere I go. My abs are well defined. I have muscles popping out on the sides. I have the whole 6-pack going all the way down, and I think the results look awesome. I mean, now I hate to wear a shirt. I'm surprised I got a shirt on now.
Joy from the gutter, raised rugged and right. I ain't finna try to change to my death gun knocking.
Before surgery, my abs were non-existent. It just looked like I had a belly and that was it. Now, it looks like the Rocky Mountains are just popping out all over the place.
They say I love Vanessa cause she's so flossy. Then they say they hate me cause she's so bossy.
I'm not gonna be self-conscious anymore when my fans take pictures of me on stage. I will smile big for them every angle.
I'm cool like a Budweiser in the fridge chilling. Got a smooth taste, but I'm way more filling.
My life has changed so tremendously after this surgery. Now that I have my 8-pack, I feel unstoppable.
Girl, you so tasty, just like a fresh baked pastry. Hey now.